Hey Misfits, Toni Craft here, and this is my dog Weasley, and we are going to show you how to make this awesome little doggy shirt. So I've been looking for a dog shirt pattern forever that would fit my sort of log-shaped dogs, and I never found one that worked. So I decided to make my own. You can download it on my website. I will put the link below. And basically what I did was I just took a sweater that fit him well, and I kind of reverse engineered it and created a pattern. Feel free to download that. Feel free to make this project. It fits well, it looks cute. So if you want your dog to look cute like Weasley, oh, you're such a good model. You're so good at this. You're so good at this. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss anything. All right, let's get started. Okay, so here's the pattern that you can download on my website. I created this pattern by basically just reverse engineering a sweater that I already had for my dog. On the edges you will see the double lines. That indicates where you're going to want to hem or put bias tape. Bias tape is an easy solution to make something look really finished. If you have never used bias tape before, you're going to want to buy the double bias tape because you can just slip your raw edge into the fold and it will make a nice, pretty finished edge. And of course, you will need to adjust the size of this pattern to the size of your dog. I'm just using an old t-shirt, which you can see I've already cut into. I'm placing my cutout pattern on top of the fabric. And because I only need one side per piece, this does not need to be double-sided per piece, I'm going to go ahead and pin my edges and then cut those out. I leave a little bit of stitch width on the edge. Here's my bias tape, and you'll see I'm just going to take the raw edge fabric and put it in, and then I'm just going to pin that bias tape on to prep it for sewing. Bias tape is nice because it's a little bit stretchy, so it goes around curves and corners, unlike regular hems which may bunch. So I'm going to use a sewing machine. You're welcome to hand sew this, of course. Sewing machines are much faster, which is why I use them. So first I'm going to go ahead and sew all the bias tape. So the edges that are going to connect together to make the shirt do not need to be hemmed or finished. Okay, so now I have my two pieces that have finished edges, and I'm just going to attach the raw edges to each other. Now these are the parts of the pattern that showed A and B, so you're just going to connect those two raw sides together. Here I am just trimming the threads and extra bias tape, cleaning it up a bit before I turn it inside out. And we turn it inside out and we have a little dog shirt. Now you can embellish this shirt any way you want. You could do stamps with ink, embroidery, paint, as long as it's safe for your dog. So here it is. Is it perfect? No. Is it good enough for a dog? Yes, absolutely. Look at that nice shirt. You're looking good. You're looking good. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please hit subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that little bell so that you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment if you end up using my pattern and make the shirt. I would love to know how it fits your dog. As you can see, they fit my dogs well, but my dogs are shaped like logs. So I'm not sure how well they would fit on anybody else's dogs. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. Bye.